Good morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you're watching this. My name is Everett, and I'm the Director of Marketing and Communication for Applied Systems Technology, which has been helping staffing firms make and save money through our staffing software since 1985. Today, we're going to talk about how you can get your staffing firm off to the right start for the new year with a killer email database. Here's the main idea of what I'm going to show you what I'm going to try to accomplish with you today. We're going to get your recruiters and your salespeople to export to spreadsheets all their candidate, client contact, and prospect contact email addresses that are probably housed in a collection of different areas. Could be their Outlook or their main professional email application. Could be LinkedIn and other professional social networks. Perhaps also your CRM system or your staffing software itself. So chances are, like most staffing firms, these email addresses are spread across a whole bunch of different databases. Fortunately, most applications, it's easy to export these contacts and their email addresses out of these applications, out of these databases, wherever they're housed. So I just want to show you, some easy ways that you can get, for instance, email addresses, your contact list, out of Outlook. So for instance, if I bring up Outlook, and if I go to File, Export, I'm going to go Export to a file. I'm going to choose to do a comma-separated value, Windows. That's a pretty standard file type, CSV file. Then I'm just going to choose what I want to actually output, which are my contacts. Next. Let's see. Okay, so it's going to put this in my document. That's fine. And I'm just going to type in contacts. And so let's click finish and let Outlook output my email addresses. So now actually in my documents folder there it is. That's just the file I outputted out of Outlook. So I just got my Outlook contacts out of my email, out of my Outlook application. Also, for instance, I can go into LinkedIn, and LinkedIn's really easy. When I go to my contacts page and I scroll to the bottom of my contacts page, there's an export connections option, and export to. I'll just stay with Outlook CSV. That should be fine. Just do an Outlook CSV file, and then of course I have to type in that crazy code. Download the file, contacts, and their email addresses. So got their names and their email addresses out there. Then, once you have everything in their spreadsheets, they're categorized, you can then bring them into your email application. In this case for us, it's the web email application being Constant Contact. But for you, you may run your email campaigns actually, out of your staffing software, depending on how robust your staffing software is. You may have a marketing company run your email marketing campaigns, so then you can shoot these lists off to your marketing company. Maybe they can even help you categorize your lists. So I hope this tip helps you get your new year off to an effective and energetic start. And if you're interested in finding out more about our technology and staffing software solutions, feel free to go to astusa.com. That's astusa.com, or email me at eud@astusa.com. That's eud@astusa.com. You could also call me at 1-800-929-3711, extension 1102. Until next time, get out there, try something new, and be empowered.